Hey guys, it's Corey back with another video on the Battle of Warships gameplay here, where today we're using USS Iowa. Honestly, this ship is pretty nifty. It's got interceptors, it hasn't got any torps, but it's pretty maneuverable, quite powerful, got enough HP. There's nothing really that bad with this ship. So, yeah, that's what we're going to be using today. And I'll see you in battle. But before you do that, please just smash the subscribe button and drop a like on the video, because we're trying to grow as much as possible and I can't do it without you guys doing them two things. So it'd be very nice. Thank you. Anyway, into battle. So we're back. It's a 6v6. Our team, I'd say, is considerably better than theirs. Although they have Yamato and Super USS. I'd say because we got 5 big ships, and then we've got a better cruiser than them as well, that we have a better team. But it's all, I suppose in this case, it's all a matter of opinion, because our Otago isn't fully upgraded. Everything else seems to be. Yeah, everything else does seem to be fully upgraded, but which over there? If that's the Iowa, I'm going. That's the Iowa. Neat, I'm going over there. Okay, I'll have another right. I do. Oh, but all the action's over there. Now I'll go over here, be like a bystander a bit, and then try and get some sneak hits. What? We have no armor piercing, and we have loads of high explosive. Did I buy high explosive and armor piercing? Oh, you know what, man? I need a new brain. I brought the wrong shells. How didn't I see that? Super Sass. Now that is a ship you want to be hitting. That is a ship you want to be hissing. So TIO was taking on the Super Sass. I think we got this, right? I would definitely say we got this. I've been trying to get a hit on you. Can you just come into my range? Or no, into my view even. Yo. That IO just got lit up. We can't hit it, that's the problem. Yeah, they have secondary batteries though. They're bloody lethal, mate. We're gonna go like this. Need my gun to focus as soon as possible. Yes, perfect. Okay, now we're out of the range of its secondary batteries. They actually do 24,000 damage, something like that, altogether. So it's pretty mad. Which is why we decided to get a bit further away, because otherwise we're a bit closer than what we'd like. But we have to switch to armor piercing. Use whatever we have left on this. Screw it. We're not losing this battle, okay? Super Assassin is significantly more powerful, but we've got this, right? For extra safety, we're going to use ship repair, but we have the battle at this point. Well, no, we have the ship, not the entire battle. That's it's a bit extreme. Now we're going to go for what looks like a Yamato. Yeah, Yamato. We're going to go for the Yamato over there. It's a 2-on-2 situation. This could be a good battle if this Atago dies. If not, then I wouldn't say it's going to be a great battle, but we seem to be in the best position to do some proper damage here. So just don't want that tirpitz to die. I want the Atago to die. So it's all left on me. Gonna waste an absolute ton of speed boosts and ship repairs in this. No, we're not. That's a lie. We're not that many. We haven't got that many. We've practically used them all. We did have a lot. We did like a big crate opening. Did a huge crate opening. So let's stay out of the way of the Yamato whilst I'm fighting the tirpitz, right? Boom. We're gonna have to fight them one by one, but how do we do that? How do we do it without taking them both on at once? Let's try and lure the Yamato in first, I'd say. It's gonna be tight though. Try now. Come on, son. Dickhead. He's come off better there, isn't he? Jeez. Oh, we've managed to dodge all of his bullets, apart from that one. Right, this is a toughie. This is a real toughie. Okay. I want to go for the Yamato first, really. Like, realistically. Yamato first. Yeah, it's a real toughie, innit? We're trying to not take too much damage, so we can fight the tirpitz and come out on top still. Let's wait for it, innit? We can't use it yet. We can't use it because if it sets us on fire again, we're dead. got to take it out first. One more hit, one more hit, one more hit, one more hit. Come on. Nah. Bravo's killing us. We've got to use it. If we want any chance of winning this battle, we've got to use it. We've got to take it out as well. So I just want to sit there anymore. And he's trying to hit the yamato without hitting us. Not too hard, is it? No, he sets on fire. Fuck's sake. No. Oh, tirpitz is going to make a move now, isn't he? Crap, mate. No. The chances of it setting us on fire were so slim as well. Oh, tirpitz is making a move, mate. Tirpitz is making a move. And we're on proper low health. Dude, we had one job. Don't know how it hit us, really. I mean, all I had to do was hit it a tiny little bit. Oh, we made a mess of that. Use that, man. Use that, use that, use that. Quickly. Extinguish. I think we've only got one more as well. One more. Ship repair. That's it, ship. Come on. No, we have no more. I've got no repairs. I have no repairs, mate. I'm dead. Christ. Talk about some bloody drama, mate. Right. How are we going to do this? There's got to be a way to do this, right? Oh. Make ourselves really thin, so they can't get many hits on us. That's not going to work because it's quite a big ship. That's our best hope. Crap, mate. Need to get a few hits. Either that or endure the 1 minute that we have left. One way or another, we have to try and survive here. Oh, jeez, it's a big hit. That's a big hit. We're dead. We can get one more hit, but we're so dead. Boom. Yeah. No. Why did we have to lose? It was a good battle as well. What could I Yamato cells on fire, innit? Oh. So that will conclude this battle. This video, sorry. Quite a good battle. I mean, shame we lost. It came down right to the very end as well. It could have gone either way, really. If I had one more ship repair, I think I would have won it though. Should have bought one. I've been spending on my golden upgrade, that's my problem. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye.